Hi students, this video I am going to explain you the problems of exercise 3.3 of trigonometry. Okay, so I do each and every problem, listen very carefully. So the first problem, prove that exercise 3.3. Okay, sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. Okay, sin square pi by 6 means sin 30 whole square. So 1 by 2 whole square. This is also cos 60 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square. 1 square. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. 4. It becomes minus 2 by 4. It is minus 1 by 2. Right? Next question. 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. Okay, let us see. 2 into sin square pi by 6, it becomes 1 by 2 whole square. Cosecant square 7 pi by 6 to 210. 210 lies in third quadrant, it is negative, but it is positive because it is square. So cosecant 210 will be 2. 2 square. Cos square 60, 1 by 2 whole square. So these two gets cancelled because 4 and 4. And this becomes 2 into 1 by 4 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1, this becomes 3 by 2. So the third question. It is cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6. Cot pi by 6 means cot 30. Cot 30 will be root 3 whole square. Cosecant 5 by 6 is cosecant 150. It is in second quadrant. It is positive. 180 minus 30, or otherwise you can do this value outside. It becomes 2 plus 2. 3 into tan 30 whole square 1 by root 3 whole square. It becomes 3 plus 2 plus 3 into 1 by 3. It becomes 1. The whole value becomes 6. The fourth one. 2 sin square 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 means 135. 2 cos square pi by 4. 2 secant square pi by 3. 2 into sin 135 will be 1 by root 2, but it is whole square. Cos 45 is also 1 by root 2, also whole square. 2 into secant 60 is 2 whole square. It becomes 2 into 1 by 2. Again 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 4. It becomes 1 plus 1 plus 8. The whole thing becomes 10. Okay. So see the fifth problem. You are asked to find out sin 75 and tan 15. Okay. So we have to apply the formulas to find out sin 75. What formulas to apply? We apply the formula in such a way that we have the known values. We had a table in your 10th grade: 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Using those values and the formulas that I gave, with those things we have to find out this. How? I tell you. You can write this as 45 plus 30. You can also write, yes, 45 plus 30. Now it looks like a sin A plus B. A plus B. Okay. Sin A plus B, you can write it as sin A cos B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A plus B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Just substitute the values. 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. So the denominator becomes 2 root 2. It becomes root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. In the same way, tan 15 they ask us. Tan 15 you can find using the same 45 minus 30. Here you can also apply 60 minus 45. You can apply 60 minus 45 and if I apply the formula of tan A minus B. What is the formula of tan A minus B? Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. It becomes 1 minus 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. The LCM is root 3 here. It becomes root 3 minus 1. Denominator also root 3 plus 1. Actually you can leave like this, or otherwise you can rationalize this also. If I rationalize the denominator, it becomes root 3 minus 1 whole square, and denominator becomes root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. So numerator become root 3 minus 1 whole square by 3 minus 1. So numerator become 3 plus 1, 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. So finally it becomes 2 minus root 3. Okay. Yes, see the sixth problem, we have to apply the formula to find something here. Now it looks like you can compare this with the formulas that we have. So you take this as A and this as B, A, B. And it looks like cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. Cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B is the formula of cos A plus B, A plus B, A plus B. So this is A and this is B. Cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B become cos A plus B. So here it is A and it is B. Now pi by 4 plus pi by 4, 2 pi by 4 minus take common, it become x plus 5. It become pi by 2. That means cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta becomes sin theta because it lies in the first quadrant. Okay. Like that, seventh problem you are given. You can take this form as a formula actually. Pi by 4 plus x by tan pi by 4 minus x. So tan pi by 4 plus x is nothing but 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x when you apply the formula, and the denominator become 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Now you can write it as 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x into when you have a two fractions one upon other, then you can write like this. When it is divided by, you can take the reciprocal and you can multiply 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. It becomes 1 plus tan x whole square by 1 minus tan x whole square. Okay. See, these we do with the concept of all silver teacups. See, cos 180 plus x, cos 180 in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos is negative, we will have minus cos x. So cos of minus x become cos x because it is an even function. Okay. Now, sin 180 minus second x, second quadrant is positive and it becomes sin x because it is good 180. And it is bad 90 plus, it is in second quadrant, cos is negative, we will have minus. Since it is 90, it becomes sin x. So numerator become minus, it is into guys. Be careful when you have into, put a bracket, or otherwise you may take it as 0 in the denominator. No, it is a multiplication. This is different and this is different. Numerator become minus cos square x, denominator also become minus sin square x. Finally it becomes cot square x. In the same way, ninth problem, cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x. Same concept we will apply into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x. Now for this problem, cos 3 pi by 2 plus x, it lies in fourth. He is the owner, so positive, but it is the bad no. You will have sin x. Now 2 pi plus x, it is in the first quadrant. You will have cos x again because it is good. In first quadrant all are positive. And here cot 3 pi by 2 minus third quadrant, he is the owner, positive, and cot x is the owner of the third quadrant, it is positive, and 3 pi by 2 is the bad thing, so which changes the trigonometric ratio. So it becomes tan x and it becomes cot 2 pi plus x. It lies in first quadrant, it becomes cot x positive. Right, now you can still convert this sin x cos x. Tan can be changed into sin x by cos x. Cot can be changed into cos x by sin x. So if I take LCM here, it becomes cos x into sin x. It becomes sin square x plus cos square x. Now you can cancel these two. It becomes 1. Okay. Now look here. This also looks like formula. When you just write this here and that there, it becomes cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. What I suggest always, when you compare with a formula, write the bigger values as A and the smaller values as B, so that it will be easy for you to avoid the negative signs. Sin n plus 1 into x. See, n plus 2 is bigger than n plus 1. So I wrote like this. Cos A cos B plus cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So it becomes cos of A minus B. A minus B. So you can write one more step like cos nx plus 2x into cos nx plus x plus sin nx plus 2x into sin nx plus x. So it looks like cos A cos B plus sin A sin B cos A minus B. So nx plus 2x minus of nx minus x. So it becomes cos of nx plus 2x minus nx plus x. So it becomes cos it is plus x, sorry. It becomes minus cos 2x minus x. It becomes cos x. See, with this, how to apply the formula? I tell you, I write the formula here. Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B is the formula of minus 2 sin A sin B minus 2 sin A sin B. So you can directly write cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. It becomes minus 2 sin A. A is 3 pi by 4. Sin B sin x. My sin 3 pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 into sin x. It becomes minus root 2 sin x. Okay. See, for the coming problems, we use these four formulas continuously. See, how we use. See, when I apply these formulas, I suggest all of you to take, when you apply this formula, take always C as the bigger one and D as the smaller one, so that you can avoid the negative signs. Okay, and here in the last formula, you will get minus. Be careful, this minus, cos A minus cos T. Only these things you should remember. Suppose in the question number 12, what did they give? They gave sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. Now we take it as like a square minus b square. Okay, and you are asked to prove. Okay, sin 2x into sin 10x. Now it looks like sin A minus sin square A minus sin square B. I take sin 6x whole square minus sin 4x whole square. Now it looks like a square minus b square. You can apply a plus b sin 6x plus sin 4x into a minus b sin 6x minus sin 4x. Now sin c plus sin d, c sin c plus sin d. Directly if I write 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. In the same way, it becomes 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay. Now it becomes 2 sin 5x cos 2x by 2x, and it becomes 2 cos 5x sin x. Now we rewrite this just like 2 sin 5x cos 5x, and one more 2 here, 2 sin x cos x. Now it looks like the formula of 2 sin A cos A. What is the formula of 2 sin A cos A? Sin 2A. So it becomes sin 2 sin A cos A, 2 sin A cos A, sin 2A, sin 10x, and 2 sin A cos A becomes sin 2x. Okay. See, this problem is also the same way. Cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. But I told you to apply the formula, you just take the bigger one first always. Cos square 6x minus cos square 2x. And it looks like a square minus b square, a plus b cos 6x plus cos 2x into cos 6x minus cos 2x. Right. It becomes minus cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, 6x plus 2x by 2, cos c minus d by 2, 6x minus 2x by 2. And here minus 2 sin 6x plus 2x by 2 sin 6x minus 2x by 2. Now this minus and this minus become plus. No need to write that. Cos 4x and cos 2x, and it becomes sin 4x into sin 2x. Now where is 2? Yeah, 2. Now we rewrite this. 2 sine 4x cos 4x we write once, and 2 sine 2x cos 2x we write once. Now it becomes 2 sine a cos a, same formula sine 2a, sine 8x, 2 sine a cos a, it becomes sine 4x. Okay. See, for this problem how we do. What we do is we take first and the last first. Sine 6x plus sine 2x we take. 2 sine 4x we keep it aside. Now let us apply the formula for these two. 2 sine 6x plus 2x by 2 cos 6x minus 2x by 2 plus 2 sine, we keep it like this only. Now it becomes 2 sine 4x cos 2x, it becomes 2 sine 4x. Again you can take common 2 sine 4x. It becomes cos 2x plus 1. We write the formula in such a way that cos 2a we have 4 formulas. Among those 4, we write that formula cos 2a, where 1 will get cancelled. With that formula 1 will get cancelled. 2 cos square x minus 1 plus 1. So it becomes 2 into 2, 4 sine 4x cos square x. Okay. See, in this question we are asked to prove something LHS and RHS. So let us do one thing. We do LHS and we do RHS, and we take both. We prove both are equal. Okay. Cos 4x into sine 5x plus sine 3x. Now this becomes cos 4x into sine c plus sine d. 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. It becomes 2 right outside, 2 cos 4x sine 4x cos x, and 2 sine a cos a becomes sine 2a sine 8x cos x. And let us do RHS also. Cot x into sine 5x minus sine 3x. So it becomes cot x. I write cos x by sine x, so that it becomes 2 cos c plus d by 2. 5x plus 3x by 2 sine c minus d by 2. 5x minus 3x by 2. So it becomes cos x by sine x. Write down 2 outside. It becomes cos 4x and sine x. You can cancel sine x here. So oh, I'm sorry, it is cot 4x. I took in LHS wrong. It is cot 4x. I'm very sorry. It is cot. So it becomes, better we write here only, cos 4x by sine 4x, so that sine 4x will get cancelled with this. Now the answer left will be 2 cos 4x cos x. The what we got here, cos 4x and cos x. I'm very sorry, I couldn't see properly. It is cot, right? See the 16th problem. From 16th problem onwards, we have to apply these formulas only. See cos c minus cos d. See cos c minus cos d minus 2 sine c plus d. Directly shall I do? It becomes 7x c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2, 2x. Denominator become 2 cos c plus d by 2, 10x sine c minus d by 2, 7x. Now we can cancel 2, we can also cancel sine 7x, it becomes minus sine 2x by cos 10x. Now, see the 17th row. Same like this, sine 5x plus sine 3x by cos 5x plus cos 3x. Cos 5x plus cos 3x. Same formula, sin c plus sin d, sin c plus sin d. 2 sin, directly I am applying sin c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2. It becomes 5x minus 3x by 2. Denominator 2 cos c plus d by 2. That means 4x c minus d by 2. 5x minus 3x, 2x by 2. Both are cos x. You can cancel these two. It becomes tan 4x. Now, see the 18th problem. Sin x minus sin y by cos x plus cos y. It becomes same formula, sin c minus sin d, 2 cos x plus y by 2, sin x minus y by 2, and denominator becomes 2 cos x plus y by 2, cos x minus y by 2. Can cancel cos and can cancel, it becomes tan x minus y by 2. See the 19th also, same thing. Sin x plus sin 3x, sin x plus sin 3x by cos x plus cos 3x. I told you, when you apply the formula, take this as c and this as d. Okay, better you write like this, sin 3x plus sin x. Always when you apply the formula, no, to avoid the negative signs and more errors also. The numerator become 2 sin 3x plus x by 2, 2x, cos 3x minus x by 2 x. Denominator 2 cos x, cos x. 2 gets cancelled, this 2 gets cancelled, it become tan 2x. Right, see the 20th problem. See here also x is here, 3x is here. Let us multiply with minus both numerator and denominator. It becomes sin 3x minus sin x by cos square x minus sin square x. So the numerator becomes sin c minus sin d. So it becomes 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2x cos c minus d by 2 x. And denominator is nothing but it is a formula of cos 2x. You can cancel this. The answer is 2 cos x. Oh, I'm sorry, this is sin. Very sorry. The answer is 2 sin x. Because sin c minus sin d we get sin. Now see the 21st. You have three terms in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x. What I suggest is always take the evens so that you can avoid the fractions. So I choose the pair here, these two and these two. Let us choose the pairs, cos 4x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x. Write it aside. Same denominator also, sin 4x plus sin 2x and sin 3x aside. See the numerator first, let us apply the formula for these two and denominator for these two. Cos c plus cos d, it becomes 2 cos c plus d by 2. 4x plus 2x by 2, it becomes 3x. Cos 4x minus 2x by 2 become x. Cos 3x. Denominator sin c plus sin d. 2 sin c plus d by 2, 3x. Sin c minus d by 2 x plus sin 3x. What you can take common in the numerator? Cos 3x. No, it becomes cos, no, sorry, very sorry. Numerator you can take cos 3x common, it becomes 2 cos x plus 1. Denominator I can take common sin 3x. It also becomes 2 cos x plus 1. So you can cancel these two. It becomes cot 3x. Okay. See, to prove this thing in 22nd problem, we just need to apply the cot a plus b or cot a minus b for anything among these two. How I tell you? See, there are the terms x, 2x and 3x. This is the problem is of x, 2x and 3x and cot. So, you can take anything. You can take x plus 2x, 3x, everyone knows this. Sir, shall I take 3x minus 2x equal to x? Yes, you can take that also. Shall I take 3x minus 2x equal to x? Yes, you can take like that also. Now just apply cot on both sides. Apply cot. It become, you better write 2x plus x. That's what I told you. 2x plus x is equal to 3x. Cot a plus b formula. What is the formula of cot a plus b? I write here. Cot a plus b. Cot a plus b will be cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Now it becomes cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. is equal to, sorry, here also cot applying now, both sides, cot 3x. Now cross multiply this, cot 2x, cot x minus 1. This cot 3x will be multiplied with both the terms. So it becomes cot x, cot 3x plus cot 2x, cot 3x. Now you bring these two terms to the left side. It becomes cot x, cot 2x minus cot x, cot 3x minus cot 2x, cot 3x is equal to 1. Like that you get. See, for 23rd problem, the only formula that we apply is tan 2a is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. But we apply the formula twice because they asked us to find out tan 4x value. Now, how I apply? Look here. First I write tan 2 of 2x. So here a is 2a. A is 2x. It becomes 2 tan 2x by 1 minus tan square 2x. Okay. Again we got 2x, tan 2x. Again we apply the formula. 2 into this tan 2x becomes 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus, this tan square 2x means tan 2x whole square. So it becomes 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Now, the numerator become 2 into 2, 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. The denominator become LCM 1 minus tan square x whole square. It become 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x. Now, when you have a fraction upon a fraction, we take multiplication of a reciprocal. 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x into 1 minus tan square x whole square by, this will become the denominator, 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x. Now you can cancel this with this. It becomes 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x. Denominator become a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square become a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 4 tan square x. So it becomes 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan power 4x minus 6 tan square x. See the next one, 24th. It is cos 4x. We apply the formula cos 2a. I'll tell you how. Cos 2 of 2x we write. Now this is cos 2a. We have 4 formulas for cos 2a, but I'll apply this formula here. 1 minus 2 sin square a, because we have to prove something with 1 there. So what is a here? 2x. It becomes 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. It means that sin 2x whole square. It means that sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x whole square. It means 2 into 4 sin square x cos square x. It becomes 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square. Okay. See, in the last question, cos 6x, we apply the formula of both cos 2a and cos 3a. I'll tell you how. Because the whole answer is in terms of cos, so we write cos 2 of 3x, cos 2a. Cos 2a in terms of cos, it is 2 cos square a minus 1. So we write 2 cos square 3x minus 1. And it is nothing but cos 3x whole square minus 1. Now, what is cos 3a? We know the formula of cos 3a also. It is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So it becomes 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x whole square minus 1. Now it looks like a minus b whole square. A square 16 cos power 6x plus 9 cos square x 2ab minus 2ab, 2 4s 8 3s 24 cos power 4x minus, now multiply with 2, it becomes 32 cos power 6x, 18 cos square x minus 48 cos power 4x minus 1, right?